Is your WhatsApp business name on Aisensy giving your customers the wrong impression? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to update it so you can represent your brand perfectly. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the settings section. This is usually found in the sidebar or within your account profile. Look for an icon that resembles a gear, a profile image, or is simply labeled settings. Next, locate the area that manages your WhatsApp channels or connected WhatsApp accounts. This section lists all the WhatsApp numbers connected to your Aisensy account. Select the specific WhatsApp number for which you want to change the business name. Click on it to access its settings. You should now see a field labeled business name or something similar. This is where you can edit your current business name. Click inside the text box to start typing your new name. Carefully enter your new business name, keeping in mind WhatsApp's business naming guidelines. Avoid using misleading or unauthorized terms. Once you're happy with the new name, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your business name has been successfully updated. It might take a few moments for the changes to reflect on WhatsApp. And that's it. Your updated business name is now visible to your customers, ensuring accurate brand representation. For more helpful tips and tricks on using Aisensy, be sure to subscribe to our channel.